So I'm Connor Allen from Newport originally. I primarily make autobiographical work. So like I'm a multidisciplinary artist who specialises in autobiographical storytelling. The Arts Council of Wales has supported me to make my first ever piece of theatre, my first ever R&D, research and development. I got a grant to look at the effects of homelessness within Newport, and I wrote a one-woman show called Working Not Begging, which is based off a homeless woman that I interacted with. And more recently, I got awarded a Creative Steps funding for my collective. I made a collective called Loyalty, which is supporting black talent in Wales. We need to find the areas of Wales where there are artists who, for example, might not have the experience or the knowledge. Knowledge is always key, you know, to approach Arts Council or to be empowered to believe that they can have a career in the arts. So I think it's about getting out into the communities and actively collaborating with other organisations. It's finding the people that actually need this help, need the support, need the knowledge to understand I can have a career in the arts. That's what I love about my work, is that I can empower people to understand, like, you can do anything you want to do.